Hey everybody, welcome to another video for Art in the Park, and today we're gonna learn how to make pillow covers. So if you're not much of a sewer, this is a great video for you because it requires zero sewing. I love this project because if you like to switch it up every season and decorations, or if you buy a lot of decorative pillows and don't have the space for them, you can simply make a pillow cover and reuse the same pillow over and over again. This is what I'm going to show you how to make. This is an envelope cover, and this is my old pillow right here. So two completely different patterns, and simply covers it up. The measurements used in this video are for pillows that are 18 by 18 inches. Here are the supplies that are needed for this project. You'll need a piece of fabric that's 20 inches by 20 inches, another piece of fabric that's 20 inches by 24 inches, hem adhesive tape, an iron, some kind of cutting tool like a scissors or a rotary cutter, and a straight edge and something to cut on. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take the bigger size fabric, you're going to pick up the two corners on the side that's 24 inches, and you're going to fold it in half and match it with the other side that's 24 inches. So it looks like this. Okay, and now it's time to cut. You're going to find the middle. So if you have a measuring tape, a ruler, this will be really helpful. So I'm going to cut it at 12 inches. So here's my middle mark right here. And then if you have another straight edge, that will be helpful too. You're going to find 12 inches. If you're cutting with scissors, you can always mark the halfway point and then cut it that way. I have this tool, it's my rotary cutter, and then we can cut it this way. So you're going to line it up with your straight edge, and then you're going to cut. Then I have my two pieces. All right, the next step is after you cut the two pieces of fabric, you're going to take one piece and lay it down. I'm using an ironing board just to help protect my table or floor. So we're going to fold the top part, which is the 24-inch side of the fabric, and then we're just gonna fold it about an inch. If you want to measure, you can use a ruler or measuring tape if you have it. So you're gonna measure out an inch. Just right here, I'm gonna fold it. And as you fold, you're gonna iron the edge here. So just keep folding and keep ironing, and this makes a nice straight seam, just so you don't have the edge that you cut, because that can fray over time as you wash the cover. Okay. And then I'm going to fold it over again because I want to hide that edge right there. Then you're going to take your tape And then you're going to kind of spool it out the same length as the piece of fabric. And take some scissors, cut the edge. Then you're going to take the piece of tape, unfold the edge that you just ironed, tuck it in under there, right up against the edge there. Okay, and then you're going to fold it over the tape. Then you're going to iron each spot for about 3 to 5 seconds. So just nice and slowly here. Okay. Then you're going to flip it over and iron the other side. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other piece of fabric. Alright, so I have both of the pieces. So you're going to go back to the table and you're going to assemble the pillow. So you're going to take one piece with the edge that you just ironed facing down. And you want the print facing up. Then you're going to take the other piece. You're going to take the edge that's hemmed and you're going to overlap it on top. So this piece, the edge is on the top. You're going to overlap it. So this is going to be the part where you put the pillow in. Okay, then you're going to take your other piece of fabric, your 20 by 20 fabric. The print is going to be facing down. You're going to line up your fabric here. And if you have to move the other pieces on the bottom, that's fine. You want it to completely line up so you have nice even edges. So I'm going to tug the one on the bottom here so it lines up really nice, so all the corners match. If you have pins at home, it'll be helpful to just pin the edges. If not, just hang on all the fabric and you're going to move to your ironing board and you're going to start putting together your pillowcase. Alright, so I'm back to the ironing board. So you're going to peel back the top layer. I have the one piece on the top and the two pieces on the bottom. You're going to kind of peel back that layer there. You're going to take your piece of tape, measure it out, and then cut the edge. I'm going to move it this way. Here we go. Okay, so you're going to move the tape on the edge up here. Fold the top piece back over. And then you're going to iron just like you did when you were doing the the hem. So now we're going to turn. Make sure you're holding all the pieces together. And you're going to turn it. And this is the edge where your two pieces meet. So make sure you have everything lined up really nice. Take your tape and measure again. But you won't need as much because this edge is already taped together. So I'm just going to find the edge where that ends and then measure this way. Okay, now do the same thing. You're going to peel back this part, just the one layer. We'll get to this part here in a minute, but for now you're just going to put the tape right here and go all the way along the edge. Put it over and iron. On the corners that meet, you'll see that these edges kind of lift up. So to secure that, you can just take a little bit of tape, put it on the edge, fold it over that, and then do the same thing with the iron. Do it on the other side. All right, so here is the fun part. You get to turn it right side out. Let's just take the two corners, flip it that way. And here you have it. You will have a pillow that looks brand new. So now you can make pillowcases for any season you want, for any room, and just use the same pillow over and over. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is ckilmer@eriemetroparks.org. I hope you give this project a try, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye.